Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of beauty and comfort. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to explore one of the most exciting trends in home design, the backyard living area. It's more than just a patio, it's an extension of your home, a place for relaxation, entertainment, and making cherished memories. If you're looking to transform your outdoor space into a functional and beautiful oasis, you've come to the right place. So, what exactly do we mean by backyard living area design? In essence, it's the intentional creation of a dedicated outdoor space that serves as a functional extension of your indoor living environment. It's about designing an area in your backyard that goes beyond just a patch of grass or a simple concrete slab, transforming it into a comfortable, stylish, and multi-purpose outdoor room. This design concept involves segmenting your backyard into distinct zones for different activities, much like you would inside your home. You might have an outdoor lounge for relaxation, a dining area for al fresco meals, a dedicated cooking space like an outdoor kitchen, or even a cozy fire pit zone for evening gatherings. The key is to integrate structural elements such as pergolas, gazebos, or covered patios for shade and shelter, and to use materials like pavers, decking, or natural stone to define these areas. Thoughtful landscaping, including plants in beds and containers, and appropriate outdoor furniture and lighting, tie everything together, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. It's about crafting a space that truly enhances your lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy the fresh air and natural surroundings in comfort and style. Decorating your backyard living area to look beautiful involves a harmonious blend of functional pieces and aesthetic elements that create a cohesive outdoor room. Start with defining the space using smart flooring choices like attractive pavers, a stylish deck, or even an outdoor rug to delineate zones for lounging, dining, or cooking. Lighting is crucial for ambience and usability after dark. Incorporate layered lighting, string lights overhead for a festive glow, path lights for safety, and accent lights to highlight architectural features, planters, or trees. Lanterns and candles can add a warm, intimate touch. Don't forget greenery and plants. Use potted plants, hanging baskets, or raised garden beds to add natural beauty, color, and texture. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and consider fragrant options to enhance the sensory experience. Finally, add decorative accessories like outdoor artwork, mirrors, water features for soothing sounds, or even an outdoor fireplace or fire pit for warmth and a focal point. Personal touches like decorative trays, outdoor throws, and interesting sculptures will make the space truly feel like an extension of your home. Now, let's dive into some breathtaking visual inspiration. We've curated our top 10 best backyard living area design ideas to spark your imagination and help you envision your own outdoor oasis. Get ready to be inspired. One, elegant pergola and outdoor kitchen retreat. This expansive backyard living area is a testament to sophisticated outdoor design, seamlessly integrating multiple zones for relaxation and entertainment. A grand wooden pergola with an open lattice roof provides partial shade over a luxurious seating area, featuring plush sofas and armchairs arranged around a central coffee table. Adjacent to this, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen with a grill, sink, and ample counter space allows for effortless alfresco dining. The entire space is unified by a large, inviting patio paved with square tiles, complemented by lush greenery and potted plants that add natural vibrancy. Overhead string lights and ambient lighting ensure the area is perfect for evening gatherings, creating a truly opulent and functional outdoor retreat. 2. Lush tropical patio with built-in seating. This vibrant backyard living area masterfully blends modern design with lush tropical influences, creating a serene and inviting escape. A long, comfortable built-in banquette with striped cushions runs along a light-colored wall, offering ample seating and a cozy nook for relaxation. Overhead, a white pergola provides a sense of enclosure and support for climbing plants, while string lights add a magical ambience. Large potted plants and a mature frangipani tree in a white planter infuse the space with exotic greenery, contrasting beautifully with the warm wooden deck flooring. Wall-mounted sconces provide directional lighting, highlighting the textures and creating an intimate atmosphere perfect for unwinding or casual entertaining. 3. Expansive modern patio with fire pit and outdoor kitchen. This contemporary backyard living area is designed for grand-scale entertaining, featuring distinct zones within a vast outdoor space. A large, inviting L-shaped outdoor sofa, upholstered in light fabric, offers luxurious lounging around a sleek, rectangular fire pit, serving as a captivating focal point. Beyond this, a spacious outdoor kitchen and dining area are sheltered under a dark modern pergola, complete with a large screen for entertainment, a fireplace, and a dining table. The entire area is unified by light-colored pavers, surrounded by neatly manicured lawns and mature trees that provide natural shade and privacy. This design exemplifies sophisticated outdoor living, perfect for large gatherings and relaxation. 4. Urban retreat with feature wall and contemporary lighting. This stylish backyard living area transforms an urban space into a chic and intimate retreat. A striking feature wall, composed of natural stone blocks and warm-toned wood slats, anchors the design, creating visual interest and privacy. Integrated linear LED lighting illuminates the wall and built-in wooden benches, casting a warm glow and highlighting the textures. Plush cushions in vibrant red and earthy tones add comfort and pops of color. Modern planters with spiky, architectural plants enhance the contemporary aesthetic, while a minimalist wooden coffee table completes the seating arrangement. The light-colored gravel and large square pavers define the floor, creating a sophisticated and inviting ambience for evening relaxation. 5. Lush patio with water feature and pergola shade. This backyard living area is a serene sanctuary, designed to offer both comfort and a deep connection to nature. A slatted wooden pergola provides filtered shade over a comfortable seating arrangement, featuring gray outdoor sofas and chairs. A unique multi-tiered concrete water feature with tall, slender grasses creates a calming focal point and the soothing sound of flowing water. The patio is paved with large, light-colored concrete slabs, seamlessly blending with the surrounding lush green lawn and well-maintained wooden fence. Potted plants and vibrant greenery add to the tranquil, natural aesthetic, making this an ideal space for quiet contemplation or intimate conversations. 6. Rustic patio with stone fireplace and outdoor seating. This inviting backyard living area exudes a warm, rustic charm, perfect for cozy gatherings amidst a natural backdrop. A magnificent stone fireplace with a substantial mantel serves as the focal point, providing warmth and ambience. The area is partially covered by a wooden pergola with exposed beams, adding architectural interest and a sense of enclosure. Comfortable wicker outdoor furniture with plush cushions is arranged around a wooden coffee table, inviting relaxation. The patio floor is laid with natural stone tiles, complementing the earthy tones of the fireplace and the surrounding lush forest. This design creates a comfortable and elegant outdoor room, ideal for enjoying nature and comfort. 7. Pergola with fire pit and elevated plant beds. This captivating backyard living area is designed for both relaxation and entertaining, showcasing thoughtful design elements. A grand wooden pergola with robust pillars and an open lattice roof provides a structured outdoor room. Beneath it, a built-in stone fire pit is surrounded by comfortable lounge chairs and a sofa, featuring warm-toned cushions that invite lingering conversations. Elevated plant beds, crafted from stone, introduce lush greenery and colorful flowers, adding softness and a natural touch to the hardscaping. Thoughtful outdoor lighting, including lanterns suspended from the pergola, creates a magical and inviting ambience as dusk settles, making it a perfect evening retreat. 8. Modern retreat with open structure and integrated water feature. This sleek backyard living area embodies modern luxury with its striking architectural features and seamless integration of natural elements. A large, open-air structure, supported by substantial pillars, shelters a sophisticated outdoor lounge space with minimalist furniture arranged around a fire pit. The patio is laid with large, light-colored tiles, offering a clean and expansive surface. The standout feature is a beautifully designed linear water feature that runs along one side of the patio, adorned with a single sculptural rock, adding a calming auditory and visual element. Lush, well-manicured greenery and trees create a private and serene backdrop, enhancing the sense of an exclusive outdoor oasis. 9. Contemporary stone house with reflecting pool and sun loungers. This luxurious backyard living area complements the stunning contemporary architecture of the stone-clad house, creating an expansive and elegant outdoor escape. A large reflecting pool with clean, minimalist lines takes center stage, its still water mirroring the sky and surrounding environment. A row of modern sun loungers with simple, light-colored cushions lines the edge of the pool, inviting relaxation and sunbathing. The patio is paved with wide, light-toned concrete slabs, creating a seamless transition from the house. Strategic plantings of mature trees and low-maintenance shrubs add natural beauty without detracting from the architectural focus, making this a sophisticated and serene outdoor haven. 10. Multi-zone patio with pool, fire pit, and privacy hedges. This expansive backyard living area is a masterclass in multifunctional design, offering diverse zones for recreation and relaxation within a beautifully landscaped setting. At its heart lies a sparkling swimming pool and an adjacent spa, inviting refreshing dips. Surrounding the pool, ample patio space paved with light-colored tiles accommodates multiple seating areas, including a comfortable lounge space with a modern fire pit and individual armchairs. And there you have it, 10 incredible backyard living area designs that truly redefine outdoor living. Each one unique, yet all offering comfort, style, and endless possibilities for enjoyment. We hope this video has inspired you to envision your own dream backyard oasis. A well-designed outdoor living area isn't just an addition to your home, it's an investment in your lifestyle, offering a dedicated space for relaxation, entertainment, and connecting with nature. If you enjoyed this video and found these design ideas helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home improvement and decor content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which backyard outdoor living area was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.